Hi, we're Will and Emily, and this is Tall Oaks Life.
Today, we're going to be talking about lending libraries. So what is a lending library?
I don't know.
Basically, a lending library is just a way for the community to be able to share books, have something, books and other things.
Seems like a pretty straightforward answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the reason we didn't make a video as to how we made the lending library is because it's really just a jalopy of a box. We just threw it together out of some spare wood scraps that we had lying around, so there's not a real pattern that we went off of.
It was very challenging. So the reason we decided to build one was with everything going on in the world today, the pandemic, a lot of supplies in specific are hard to get a hold of. So we decided we'll share the excess that we had with the community so that those that may not have what they need could share. And
as well, you're trapped inside your house all day. We're all trapped inside our houses.
Watching YouTube.
Houses sounds weird. It sounds like it should be heis.
Heises. Heises is plural for house.
House? Heis. Anyway, since we're all trapped inside our houses, it also seemed like a good idea to offer stuff for people to do.
Yeah.
Stuff for people to look at.
For instance, what is this?
Yarn.
Yarning. Yeah.
Yarning, that's a thing.
or what is it? Knitting? Knitting.
Yes, I have knitting needles.
Yeah, so knitting could also potentially be used as lawn darts.
Knitting, reading, baking.
Recipes.
Baking is a big thing going on these days too.
Yeah. And we have a video of what to do when these are gone.
Check out our last video.
Check out our last video.
Yeah, so we are taking extra precautions and wiping everything down with disinfecting wipes before we put them into our lending library.
This one's ocean fresh scent.
Ooh. As well, we typed up a couple little guidelines for how to use the library during a pandemic and just how to use the library in general, and of course some advertising.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. So this is everything that we have right now to put inside.
We're hoping that the community will get involved and share some of the things that they have, books, recipes, and other things that other people they don't have, supplies that maybe we don't have to provide.
But also, please comment if you have any ideas for fun things that we could put inside.
Yeah.
I know some people do like seed exchanges inside there. I didn't really think our community was probably going to be that into it.
Could trade Pokemon cards. That was just a random thought.
In the future, I plan to put a guest book and maybe suggestion box inside of the lending library. I just didn't yet, since I figured people might be hesitant about writing in.
We have like this whole empty space right here. We can make like another little half roof, and that could be like the suggestion box.
Possibly,
That would
maybe
look cute.
something like that. Yeah. Dog treats are also
dog treats.
A popular one I've seen.
A lot of people do walk their dogs around our neighborhood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking dog treats and maybe some poop bags. Hint.
So they can collect the poop.
No. I don't really see that much poop sitting around our neighborhood.
Yeah.
The walking trail, yes.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're going to take everything, we're going to wipe it down, we're going to mount that outside on a post that I've already set up, and we're going to bring you guys along with us.
daylight yesterday while we were putting it up and all together, but here it is.
It looks pretty janky.
Yes, it does.
Looks like nobody's been in it yet.
No, no one's checked the mail yet.
Yeah, nobody's checked their mail yet. He just came. So hopefully we'll have some visitors soon. Yeah. And like and subscribe,
Yes.
please.
And comment any ideas you have for what we could put inside.
Yeah. And future projects. If you guys have any future projects you want to see, let us know.
Bye.
Say like and subscribe, Henry. Say like and subscribe. We're going to get him to say it one day. He's going to be our spokesman.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
So.
Hi, we're Will and Emily, and this is Tall Oaks Life.
Oh, sorry, for some reason that's where the logo goes on in my head.